back to my channel. I'm here again with Jet. As always, how are you guys doing, my beautiful people? I hope you are good and safe. So today's video, as you can see, for the title. Now, what is shock me? Yes, it shock you. And what is shock me when I enter Spain? Their culture was very different, as in very different from where I come from, which is, yes, my country, Nigeria. So if you are interested watching the 314 major 314 will shock me. So if you want to know what really shock me for this their culture, for this their country, what really shock me, so definitely keep on watching. And if you are returning subscriber, as always, God bless you for coming, for always supporting me whenever I upload. Thank you. I really appreciate. And if you are new to my channel, God bless you for clicking, for coming today. I really appreciate. Please don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, subscribe on the notification bell so that anytime I upload, you will be the first to know too. Okay, for this channel we do so many things, amazing things, so you will not regret why you subscribe. Okay, thank you. So let's dive inside the topic and the thing will make us come today. Okay, so first thing will shock me. How many times did they eat? Could you imagine? I don't know whether I'm not saying it be for the rest European country, I don't know. But our side here, how many times you need to eat, or you need to give your children food? 5 times. 5 times, as in 5 times. And that one just first shocked me. Okay, that 5 times, which they call out here, first, desayuna, that morning breakfast, desayuna. The second, almuerzo, which is that one that they take 10:30, 11. Then the third one, comida de mediodía, that they call them, which is comida, afternoon food. That's 3. Then the third one, merienda. I'll say, what is called come see the merienda again? Merienda. That one which we always they give children here, which adult children, they always they take on 4:30, 5 o'clock before siesta. Then 8 o'clock, which is cena. You see, 5 times. The thing shocked me, as in they go they eat the food, not be saying once, so not be saying a large quantity. Now just small, and that 5 times it will be different food. Fruit, get us we tell the miss different food that 5 times. So now that will be the first thing will shock me. Okay. Then the second one, the rates where they tell they go bar, restaurant, bar, as in bar, the way where they tell they go bar, oh my God, before you just know person or your friends, before you know, you just go, oh yeah, let's go to bar, as in bar, every time bar, Jesus, that one still shocked me, as in that's so bad. They go. That one still shocked me. So the third one, education. Although this one I like their education, they know they use and play at all. As if they go school. Before they take holiday, they hard for here. Even this period of a time where we be say we dey koro, they go school. Now let that time where just new start, we serious, and then they stay house for almost 6 months. But since that last year where they open small, up till now, then they go school. As in, school. They like education. As in, you must go school. So me, I like that one. Yeah. I like that one for their culture. It shocked me as they take carry school put for head then. It shocked me. But I like that one. So that one and three will still shock me. So my beautiful people, the fourth one, the value of old people and children. Oh, the way they take value old people, my goodness, where for they come? My country. They don't value old people. They don't value old people, they don't value children. My where for they come now adult way fit start, way fit see the way fit they do something. Now they value for that side. Whether they value them, no value. But they don't value old people for my country. Children, they don't value them. But here, first and first now, old people and children. Oh my God, they value old people. Before anything, even this vaccine where they take now, the people where they first start. Now the old people, the old people now they first start till they give the vaccine. When you see how they take value old people. Children, don't let anything touch them. Oh. Don't let anything touch them. So that one still shock me as in, where for the come? Old people, they will just carry them and kick them through away. You understand? Yeah. Right here, they know they do at all, chai, they value old people and children. So that one nice to be the major thing will still shock me, say, yeah, which I like them. Okay. And the fifth one, my beautiful people, the fifth one. Yeah, the fifth one, huh? Yeah. The fifth one, they know they like to cook. They don't like to cook. Cha. Every time. Restaurant. Every time. Restaurant. Every time. Restaurant. They don't like to cook at all. You don't be like, where they sleep. They wake up for kitchen. They sleep for kitchen. They don't like to go unless their grandparents, they call them here abuela. All those ones they don't feel they go outside like that. Now those ones I still they as in cook, but the young ones, the ones who just new married, where don't even stay for marriage self, they don't like to cook. And that one still shock me. Any small thing. Restaurant, any small thing, restaurant, and they go, they don't like to cook. So then we wait to still shock me here as in so here we come to the end of this beautiful chit chats culture shock, which still shock me. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. If you watch your user's time, God bless you. I really appreciate. Please don't forget to share this video, like and subscribe if you never subscribe. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I see you again in my next video. Stay blessed and always stay safe. Bye.